Hi beauties, welcome back. The Peach and Lily Super Oasis Concentrated Serum appears to be a comprehensive solution for addressing various skin concerns, particularly those related to dryness and dehydration. Its claim of providing 100 hours of moisture retention is quite impressive and immediately captures attention. The formulation, boasting hydrous flow technology, is intriguing as it combines glycerin, aquaporin booster, and hyaluronic acid to effectively replenish moisture reservoirs in the skin. Furthermore, the inclusion of nutrient-rich ingredients such as shea butter, baobab, and marula oil is promising as they are known to support the skin's hydrolipid barrier, ultimately resulting in softer, suppler, and more radiant skin. The serum targets a range of common skin issues, including dehydration, dryness, flakiness, and tightness, making it potentially suitable for a wide audience with varying skin concerns. The high concentration of glycerin, at 14.5%, is particularly noteworthy, as glycerin is celebrated for its exceptional hydrating properties and its ability to alleviate redness and irritation. Additionally, the blend of 5 different weights of hyaluronic acid is appealing as it implies multidimensional hydration that promotes a visibly firm and bouncy complexion. The inclusion of tremella, known for its skin-plumping abilities and protective properties against visible signs of aging and environmental stressors, further enhances the serum's appeal as a comprehensive skincare solution. However, at $47 for 30 ml, the price point may give some consumers pause, especially considering there are numerous options available in the skincare market. Nonetheless, for those seeking a high-performance serum to address dryness and dehydration, the Peach and Lily Super Oasis Concentrated Serum appears to offer a promising solution. The usage instructions, advising to massage the serum onto clean skin as part of the moisturizing step, and the recommendation for daily use in both the morning and evening, provide clear guidance for incorporating the product into a skincare routine. Overall, the Peach and Lily Super Oasis Concentrated Serum presents itself as a luxurious yet effective option for combating dry, tight skin and achieving long-lasting hydration and radiance. However, individuals should be mindful of potential sensitivities and adhere to the precautions provided.